Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically adjust your clips to match the sequence frame size, which is really super handy when you're working with the footage of different resolutions. So now without further ado, let me show you what you have to do. So just highlight your videos, and then when you highlight your video, you right click here, you have scale to frame size or set to frame size. So I'm going to click on scale to frame size. And when you're doing that, but when you change to set to frame size, is going to actually fit for the entire sequence. Going to like fit the video to actually our sequence. But for also the scale to frame size, like the difference between scale to frame size and set to frame size is that, and like basically this scale to frame size, this makes your video clip fit the sequence size but changes the scale percentage. Is a quick way to fit clips without much adjustment. Now the set to frame size, this also makes your clip fit, but it changes the scale at 100%, resizing the video to match the sequence perfectly. I believe this one is a more destructive way, because scale to frame size, this is a more non-destructive way to fit clips, and you can easily return to the original size. So I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, like this video, help me to get to 10 likes, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.